never listened so carefully. And he also explained that he had never listened so carefully. क्योंकि नहीं इसने ध्यान से सुना था. And he had never explained anything so much patience. Even Mr. Hammer also, because of the situation, because he was totally full of emotions for the motherland as well as the mother tongue. It seemed almost as if the poor wanted to give us all he knew before going away. और ऐसा लग रहा था कि the teacher wanted to give each and everything, whatever he had before going. जो उसके पास था, वो सब कुछ देना चाहता था जाने से पहले. And to put into the head at one stroke. One stroke means with one attempt. केवल एक attempt से ये चाहता था कि they understand each and everything. कि वो सारी चीजें समझ जाए. After the grammar के बाद, and we had a lesson in writing when he started explaining the writing portion. As you know, in English there are grammar lessons, writing lessons. It means these are skills, grammar skills, writing skills, and different skills of language. So he started teaching writing, and that day Mr. Hammer had new topic for us, and he was having a new topic for us. He was having a new topic for us. The French and size, French essays, French essays. Beautiful and written in a beautiful hand. And everything it was a new copy for us. It was written in beautiful hand. And what was written? France essays, France essays. They looked like a little flag floating everywhere in the school room. And it looked like that there were small flags, छोटे झंडे लगाए गए हैं in the school room, hung from the road at the end of the desk road on the stick. It was from the desk top of the desk. You ought to have seen how everyone had to work. You ought to have seen, you might have seen, आपने देखा होगा that how everyone has had to work. किस कैसे सभी काम करने लगे थे. How quiet it was. Means on that day there was a strange atmosphere. It was a quiet atmosphere without any noise. The only sound was scratching of the pen over the paper. There was only little sound, scratching, moving of pen over the paper. Paper पर केवल पेन करने की आवाज आ रही थी. Once someone beetle flew in, and once some insect flew in. अगर कोई insect अंदर आता था, but nobody paid any attention to them, and no one was interested in that. No one was paying attention towards them. इसका कोई भी attention, इसका ध्यान नहीं था. Not even the littlest one who is little the smallest one sitting in the room. जो भी छोटा सा भी बैठा हुआ था, कोई भी student maybe, and he was also very much attentive in the class, due care. Who worked right on tracing their fish hooks, and who worked, those who are working on the tracing the fish hook as if it was French. जैसे French को they were using it, they were trying to trace the fish hook. Whatever Mr. Hamel wanted to teach on that day, they also wanted to grab the same thing. वो वही चीज grab करना चाहते थे. On the roof of the pigeon put very low, and on the roof the pigeon they were also making very low sound. I thought to myself, then French thought, he thought, will they make them speak in a German? It is just one sort of remark. एक remark है कि क्या वो pigeon को भी German सिखा देंगे, even the pigeon. Whenever I looked up from my writing, whenever, because he was busy noting down each and everything on that day, and whenever he was looking up, the वो ऊपर देखते थे, I saw Mr. Hamel sitting motionless in his chair, and he saw Mr. Hamel, he was sitting motionless without any movement, still in chair, and gazing first at one thing, and he was gazing, looking at one thing, and then at other, and then on the other thing he used to look at. And if he wanted to fix his mind, and he was looking at that everything, whatever it was there, everything, how everything looked in that little school room. He wanted to fix everything in mind. Mind में fix करना चाहता था, and imagination and all. For 40 years he had been there in the the garden and walnut are so big, and in the garden were dollar there and the hope wine actually it is a wine, it is one creeper एक लता होती है बेल होती है had planted himself twin about the window to the roof जो उसने he had planted himself जो उसने plant की थी लगाई हुई थी twinned about the window to the roof और ऊपर से ऊपरी तक जा रही थी he how it must have broken his heart to leave it all with all the things he was so much attached to each and everything the school में जो भी चीजें थी how hard it would be कितना हार्ड होगा टू लीव एवरीथिंग the poor man yes friend he was feeling very sorry for Mr. Ahmed to hear his sister moving out और वो अपनी sister को देख रहे थे he was moving out in the room about packing their stuff मतलब he was moving here and there in packing their items and for they must leave the country next year because they have to leave the country next year oh, but he had the courage to hear every lesson to very last. But this time, because otherwise after reading one or 10 to 15 minutes more, they got to lose. But that day, up to the last, he was very attentive. बिल्कुल attentive था. After the writing, we had a lesson in history. और फिर हमने history में lesson पढ़ा history, and then babies chanting there. This is the special vowel, different vowel group with the consonant different sounds, अलग अलग sounds practice करते हैं baby and down there in the back of the room और back room में old hostel has put on his spectacles और उसने old hostel was there at the back benches he put on his back holding his primer on both hands and he was holding his primer that blank he was holding and अपने हाथ में finally लिए हुए था spelled the letter with them and whatever it was being said was baby and all these words he was also repeating वो भी वही repeat कर रहा था you could see that he too was was as equal. And then he wrote the word on the blackboard. Blackboard was while la France. While la France means live long France. Live long France. Then he stopped और तब रुक गया. Lean his head against the wall और अपना wall की तरफ किया. Without a word he made a gesture और बिना उसके इशारा करना. To us with the hand हाथ से इशारा किया. School is dismissed. स्कूल खत्म हो चुका है. स्कूल में वो आप जा. Okay, this was the lesson. Now there are some questions. I'll send you today PDF for all the questions, and it will have some 6 to 7 pages are there. You can type in one word. Okay, so there are questions. You can start from here. What was friend expected to be prepared with for the means on that day? What was the homework given? What was the homework given? It was the work of participant. It is a grammar topic, and he was given the work of participant. What did friend notice that unusual about the school that when he entered in the school? It is the question is very special for the school only, not for the class. In school, actually there was no noise. It was as silent as what had been put up on the bulletin board. There was a news from the German, news from the Berlin that from next day onward, German will be closed. There was so France, and the French will not be closed. These were the questions. There are some additional questions. I'll see you. Okay, now in the last, what changes did the order from Berlin pose in the school? Again, you have to write in the thing because everything was looking very serious on that. Otherwise, we could hear a different type of sounds in the like of the lesson, opening and closing of the test or prior, or you can say that thing of the stick or ruler. Because ruler, that type of sound here, but on that day it was very silent on that. It was looking like a Sunday morning. In Sunday morning when the school is off, there is no one. How did friends feeling about Mr. Hamel and now earlier? Because he was not much interested in school. First of all, he was not having good feeling about that. Right? Secondly, Mr. Hamel, he was very strict teacher, and he was considering him very frank. He was a strict teacher, and he used to scold him. So both started. And on that day, he is totally feeling, friend feeling totally weak. And he was very sorry for the position of or the condition of because he was going after YouTube. Okay. Okay. Yes. Okay. Now, what changes did the order from Berlin cause in school that day? उस दिन स्कूल में क्या change हुआ? That was मतलब what was the changes? Did the order from Berlin it has come? What was the change in the school? What did he observe on that day? It means it was just like a very silent atmosphere, very strange atmosphere was there in the school, and it was as silent as. How did friends feeling about Mr. Hamel and school changes? Means both Mr. Hamel and school in the school because he started taking interest in the study. On the last day, he understood each and everything, and it looked very easy for him to understand each and everything. And up to last, he was paying full attention. Full attention के साथ up to the last, he was studying. And Mr. Hamel, his feeling totally changed because now he was feeling sorry for Mr. Hamel because he could not be able to see him again. उसको दोबारा नहीं देख पाएंगे. And that's why earlier he was very he forgot about all his rulers or cranky behavior, and he was feeling because on that day he aroused patriotic feeling towards their mother tongue. अपनी mother tongue के लिए उसको motivate किया था. Okay, that was the okay. I'll send you the PDF of this one. Okay, now next topic I'm going to take think time is there, we can go for the next topic. It's a very small topic, the poetic device. Okay.
Okay, student. Next, we are going to read that poetic device. Poetic device. It will be used because next topic after this lesson we will go for the poem. And before that, we must know about the poem. Now, poetic device. Poetic device. First, rhyming words. First, rhyming words. What is rhyming words? Rhyming words that have same sound at the end means it is used to create a rhythm in the poem. Poem में rhythm के लिए आता है. Rhyming words having the same sound at the end. Last में sound same होती है. For example, you can take this one: night bright, four more, king sing, like this. Okay, it is used to create the rhythm in the poem. And next is alliteration. Alliteration means initial sound change, because in the rhyme words or rhyming words we were having the last sound same, but in the alliteration we are having the initial same sound, starting sound. For example, west wind, both the words started with the w. Both these words have started with w. That is called alliteration, because this type of question at least will be there from your this one in your question paper, and from that you can answer if you know all this. Next is personification. Personification means when personification means normally first person, second person, third person we are using the personal pronoun. That is for the human being we are using. And but in personification, when the lifeless object or dead, when dead or non-living object, they are treated as a living thing. They are treated as a living thing. जो lifeless object है उनको हम living object की तरह treat करते हैं. For example, wind. And the poet William Wordsworth, he has used in place of wind pronoun he. उसके लिए he use किया wind के लिए. Other wind normally it is a lifeless object. It can be used, but he used he. That is known as a personification. Means when the we are using personal pronoun or this one for the lifeless object. Next is simile. Simile means actually comparison, same thing. Similarity is shown. जहाँ पर similarity, समानता दिखाई जाए. Similarity, for example, he fought like a lion. He fought like a lion. As or like word it will be there. As or like, these words are used to show the similarity. That is known as a simile. For example, he fought like a lion, or in like diamond in the sky, like a diamond in the sky, like this. It is a poetic device used there, simile. Next is metaphor. Metaphor means employed simile. Used simile is used as a direct. For example, he fought like a lion. Like word is used. It means it is a simile. But we can say another way. He was a lion in the fight. It means we have used the word lion. It indicates very courageous, very powerful, or it is a symbol of strength. Strength का symbol है. But here we have used lion to indicate the word or to stress on the meaning of strength. Strength को दिखाने के लिए we have used the word lion. Okay. Next is pun. This is also very important as far as your this one is concerned. One word having different meaning. The sound is same, spelling is same. The word is having different meaning. For example, you can say arms. Arms, it can be a part of body and it can be weapon also. It can be weapon also. Okay, so these will be used for your. There are other poetic devices are also sonnet, finance, and one is ref. refrain. This can also come. Repetition of the line at the end of the stanza means if same word, if same line is repeated after stanza, एक stanza के बाद अगर same line is being repeated again, it is used to create a rhythm in the poetry. Poetry में एक rhythm create करने के लिए होती है. Okay, these will be, these are these poetic devices very important as far as your examination is concerned. I'll send in this PDF. You can note down this one after, but this question answer of that lesson. After question answers of that lesson, you have to note down. Okay. Thank you. Have a nice day.